What is up, Vivid Racing fans? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a really fun day because today is the day that we get to show you our new VR Performance titanium exhaust for the A90 Supra. Now we have the exhaust here, we have an A90 Supra here thanks to a customer. We're going to get it installed, show you how it sounds, and show you why it's going to be the best exhaust on the market for the A90 Supra. It's lightweight, it's loud, it's titanium, and it's super high quality. I think you guys will really enjoy this. So right now we need to get the Supra loaded up here on our rack and get this exhaust installed. So as you guys can see, we've got the whole system right here. We got the tips, the muffler section, and then the mid-pipe sections. And what's really cool about this whole thing is that since it's titanium, this whole thing is super lightweight. It's all pie cut and really, really nice. And then in these mid-pipe sections, we have some oval tubing. So it's a little bit hard to see, but this is oval tubing, so it'll fit under your A90 really, really well. Give you a lot of ground clearance. We've got V-band clamps. We got one here. We got one over there. And we have one over there. And that slip fitting, I believe, is the section that is going to connect to the forwardmost position on your Supra. What's really cool is we have this integrated valve system which works with your stock valving system. So you hit the sport button and it's going to close this valve and it's going to force all your exhaust gases through this tube and through the muffler, and that's going to make your exhaust much, much quieter, just like it does on the stock system. Whereas if you want it loud, you hit the sport button and it's going to open up this valve and it's going to let it go through this section which has no muffler at all. And without a doubt, this is probably one of the most high quality systems that you can buy for an A90 Supra. Like if you look at these pie cuts, this is a super high quality, like really, really nice stuff. Really nice pie cuts, really nice tubing. The whole thing is super lightweight. Like this whole system barely weighs anything because it's titanium, so it's so much lighter than a stainless system. All right, that's enough about this system. We got it here. Let's get it installed on this Supra and then see how it sounds.
Pardon me and my tone. You can't step to my throne. They ain't working like me. I did this on my own. You asking where we been, huh? I don't know where to begin, huh? All this dirt on my skin. I just came here to win. I'm more than a man, I'm a monster. Somebody call a pastor, doctor. I got a 6 sense for imposters, so now I'm coming for the whole roster. It's not a game, why you playing with me? You could double back, lose track, try and hang with me. It must be in my veins, something you can't tame, cause I break the chains. Can't control me. I got the power, I got the keys, cause I break the chains. They try to hold me, I'ma push back. Just wait and you'll see.
interested in getting this VR Performance titanium exhaust for your A90 Supra, go ahead and hit us up at vividracing.com or email us sales@vividracing. We have this exhaust available, it's in stock, and it's really, really awesome. This is literally the best exhaust that you can buy for an A90 Supra. Super lightweight, it's really affordable considering it's titanium. It sounds awesome, and it's really, really high quality. So give us a shout, and we'll see you guys in the next video.